What is up, guys? Don's here and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a little today I got a side job lined up on my neighbor's car, on my neighbor's Ford Fiesta. We're going to do wiper blades, oil change, air filter, front brake pads only. So we got little maintenance things to do. I told him I'd check it out for him and do some little maintenance stuff. So yeah, that's what we finna do. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting something else. We got the oil change, brake pads, air filter, wiper blades. So that should be everything. And then I'm gonna just look over the whole car. Make sure everything is good. So right now, what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to go to the parts store right now actually and get the parts for him. And yeah, it should be a good day. It should be a good video. It's gonna be a great day, one, because the weather is freaking awesome outside. I think we're at about like 60 degrees right now or something like that. So it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a really great day. It is 1 o'clock right now, so let's get busy. Yep, we're at 61 right now. I think the high is gonna be like 63. So yeah, as you can see, we got the suit on. Got the whole suit on, so you know we mean business. So yeah, let me go get the parts, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, y'all, we back with it, boys and girls. It's a beautiful day. Before I even say anything, it's a beautiful day. The sun is out and it's shining right on me too. Beautiful day, beautiful day. So, but we back. We about to start. We got the oil right there. We got the oil filter in the bag. We got the brake pads. We got a C-clamp because my brake pedal depressor tool is at work and in my toolbox, but that stuff will shortly be here soon. But yeah, we got the new air filter. This is the old one. As you guys can see, it's kind of dirty. I recommend to get a new one anyway. So yeah, so we got the air filter. It's 4 T25 screws. T25 right here. Can't really see it that well, but it says C25, believe me. But yeah, so we got one right there. We got two right here. You can't really see it. There we go. Okay, we got two right there. Three right here. And then we got four right here. So yeah, 4 T25 screws. Old filter, new filter. Slap the new filter in right now. Okay. Put that into place. Boom. Now all I gotta do is screw those back in. Then we're gonna move on to the oil change. He got wiper blades. Already put the wiper blades on. So we got that. What else besides the brake pads? Guess just the oil change. Like I said, the oil right there. Filters in the bag. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten these screws up. Then we're gonna put the car in the air. Then we're gonna start with the brake pads. So be right back with you guys. Okay guys, let's get it. So, pick you guys up real quick. We're gonna start by there's 12. They're not 14s, which I already verified. They're two 12 bolts. Let's see if I can get a better view. That damn ring shit is getting on my nerves. So yeah, we got one right there. We got 112 up here, where my finger is, right here, and we got one at the bottom. Sorry for the crappy view, but yeah. So I already cracked them loose. They're loose. So I'm taking these out right now as we speak. So let me set you guys up with a decent view.
The kisses of the sun were sweet, I didn't blink, I let it in my eyes. Like an exotic drink, the radio playing songs that I have never heard, I don't know what to say. Oh, not another.
I'm just around with 2 Glocks. This lack of money had me running in your spot. I stay ducked off, especially when the block is hot. Don't play both sides, that type of shit, and get you shot. No pump faking on my block. See your meal with so and so. I bet this pistol have me shaking like a hoe.
Yeah, we got us some grease. I should have never bought this because I have like some lube grease. It's pretty much the same shit as this. So I really shouldn't have even bought this grease. But the thing is the fact that they actually charge you for this grease. Like, what? That's absurd. That should come free with the purchase of brake pads. Like, that's absurd. So I'm gonna put some on the ends right here. Then I'm gonna put some right here. Okay, so we got some there. We got some right there. We're gonna put some in the middle of the pad. Okay. Put some in the middle like that.
Word around town that you don't fuck with me no more. Heard you talking down on my name on the low, but you a real nigga though.
No.
What the fuck is up? I got some money in the bank that ain't enough.
Shit.
Got a short patience, that just mean I'm quick to buck. Real Memphis nigga, so you know I'm down to dump. Sweaty nigga, so hard to trust. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know your mama told you not to fall in love with
I
hoes.
know it.
Only wear designer, she just want you for your
I
clothes.
know it.
Only smoke.
So now I'm gonna use my C-clamp. I had to buy my C-clamp because I don't have my actual tools here. My actual tools here. My toolbox is coming home, and then I guess I'll inform you guys on that, or that'll be another video or something for another day. But yeah, we got our C-clamp here, and we're gonna push this piston back. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you guys can kind of see that. What's going on? Cause of just stop pass. So yeah, and this is pretty helpful too. They got this, so press this button, easily slides in and out. That's cool. That's helpful.
Loud, but no bitch, you can't blow this dope. No bitch, leave me alone. Always in my zone.
Swear to God.
It never felt somebody gonna call my
Swear
phone.
to God.
Wanna be like me, but no, you can't be my
Swear
clone.
to God.
He a true pussy, that's why I can't fuck with Jones. I just rather mob alone.
The kisses of the sun were sweet, I didn't blink, I let it in my eyes. Like an exotic drink, the radio playing songs that I have never heard, I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word, just
Ain't nobody say.
No.
2010, I almost caught a murder case.
Fuck.
The opera make you look like Freddy Krueger face. Mayweather punch a nigga slow as hard pace. So be careful what you say. Don't speak on waste with your hoe.
No.
Don't do that jumping nigga, we go toe to toe.
Pussy.
My only question is, man, what you hating for? Slick dissing me, gon' have me knocking at your door.
Alright guys, we back with it. As you can see, I got this caliper off already. I just took it off. As you can see, we got the oil draining. It's pretty much done now, almost, from that drain plug. Sorry for the lighting. Lighting is a little crappy, but yeah, it's draining. As you can see, we split a little bit, but that's all right. Yeah, there we go. You can see it right there. It was a size 13 drain bolt, and the bolt is over there. The drain bolt is right there. So yeah, I'm gonna let that finish draining out, and then I'm gonna take the filter off as well. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do this side brakes, and then we're gonna move on to tightening that drain plug and swapping the filter out. So yeah, let's swap these pads.
Man, it ain't what you want. I'm a money making pro.
I am.
No pussies in my squad, my niggas cutthroat.
Yo.
You cool and all, just can't make money with you though. She fell in love with me, I ain't even fucked the hoe.
What the fuck?
But that you had go.
Alright guys, so that's in there. I'm gonna tighten these bolts up, and it looks like the oil is finished draining from the drain plug. So let's tighten that back up. Okay, that's tight. And yeah, we're gonna tighten that drain plug up, and then we're gonna loosen the filter. Let the filter drain. Let it drain from the filter housing or whatever. Then we're gonna put the new filter on. Okay, guys, those are on there. Now let's move on to the oil now. What it do, guys? We under the car right now. All right, so let's put this drain bolt in there. Okay, we got that tight. Okay, so that's tight now. Now we're gonna move on to the filter. Alright guys, so the filter's right there, that white filter right here. Now I'm gonna try to drain this without spilling anything. So this is difficult right now. So let's see what we can do. It's kind of hard filming too. Let's see if any oil comes out of it. Oh, we spilled a little bit. We spilled a little bit, but that's okay. That's all right. So we're gonna let that drain and pop the new filter on, and I'm gonna get some rags to clean that up. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but you can see a little glossiness around it. So yeah, that's the oil. Let's put that in there. And now I'm just simply gonna put the new filter on, and then we're gonna put the oil in the car. So not really much to see. Alright guys, as you can see, the new filter is in. The new STP filter is in. Obviously, as you guys can see, I still need to clean up. So I'm about to go find some stuff to clean up now. I'm not sure if I still have shop towels or not, but I'm gonna see. If not, I'll just get paper towels from my house. And I really do think I'm out of brake clean. But I'll find something. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna add oil to the car. And then we're gonna test drive it. So yeah, back with it. We got us some high mileage. Whoa. Ooh. Sorry guys. Sorry about that guys. But yeah, we're back. We about to put the oil. We got us some high mileage advanced full synthetic 5W20 that we finna put up in here. So yeah, this is what we got. And let's get it. Let's pour it up in here. So this car takes 4.5 quarts. Honestly, I'm gonna just pour all of it in there. It's 5 quarts. This is a 5-quart container, so I'm gonna just pour all of it in there because some of it's gonna go to the filter anyways. So yeah, and then we gotta start it for about I think in the owner's manual it said for like 25 seconds. So we're gonna pour it in there for 25. We're gonna start the car for 25 seconds and then recheck the level. Alright, what it do? We back. The car is finished. Let me get out of this light so you guys can see me better. That's sunlight. It's dangerous. So, alright. So, car is finished. I just test drove it. Did a couple of 0 to 60 to back to 0 pull and braking points. The car performed well. Feels a lot better now that it has an oil change now. So that's pretty much it. We got new oil in the car, new oil filter, new engine air filter, new front pads and wiper blades all around for the front and the rear. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know, like, drop down in the comments, guys. Let me know if you guys enjoy video like this, or do you guys want me to do like review videos, or what? Because I've been noticing like views are starting to go down a little bit, just for certain videos. I know the C10 content, you guys, I don't think you guys like, but I'm gonna keep posting C10 content. Little like stuff like, you know, jobs, like side jobs, I know you guys kind of don't like, because like I said again with the views, but I'm gonna keep posting them anyway. Like, I'm gonna post whatever the hell I want to post, and I just hope you guys just enjoy, you know, watch the videos, enjoy them, like them, and things like that. So yeah, guys, drop down in the comments below if you guys want me to do review videos. Drop down in the just drop comments down below, period. Like, I want to interact with you guys. Drop down some comments, okay? But yeah, it's your boy Don signing out with another video. Right now, I'm about to watch the GTI, which is what I was gonna do earlier, but then I got the side job that I didn't forget about. But yeah, I got the side job, so I'm gonna probably give the GTI a little wash. I don't know. C10 don't need to be washed. Maybe it does. Look like it need to be washed a little bit. Maybe I'll give that a wash too. Yeah. Maybe I'll pull it out and drive it a little bit. I don't know. I ain't really got nowhere to go though, so probably won't do that. But I probably will pull it out and wash it though. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, drop down in the comments. Give this video a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel, press that notification bell for your boy. Like I said in the last video, we got things coming. We got projects, you know what I'm saying? So we got projects, the two main projects back here. Well, 3 main projects back here, because the GTI is back here too. But yeah, I think once the GTI is really settled in, as far as once I get, you know, I'm looking for a new bumper, splash shield, them sort of things, you know. Tune I'm not really worried about right now, but I mean, I can get the tune. Just, you know, I'm just not worried about it. Just not worried about it right now. But yeah, so got the C10, obviously. I need to send it to paint. I need to blow my uncle up about that, so we can ship that off to ship the truck off to paint. And yeah, honestly, I'm probably about to. I don't know. I kind of want to get started on this. Maybe I'll get started on it tomorrow. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to distribute a cap. That's gonna be another video, obviously. So I got a distributor cap. Got a couple laying around here, brand new ones. So I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try 1 or 2, you know, and see what that takes me as far as this, cause I miss driving this car, guys. I really do miss driving her. So but yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Like I said, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell. See you guys in the next one. Peace.